So after you make your own carbon paper by taking your pencil and scratching on the back something you've printed, you do this, then you can transfer your design back onto the original. Okay, so once you get it positioned to where you want it, there we go. So these lines I will go over here. Now I'm gonna let's see. This one. This one and okay. So I got those three to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and get those done here. Okay, little tip: if you decide to do something like this and make your own carbon paper, I didn't do it with a couple of these, but with this one, some of these that are more that are bigger, that are harder to see, I find an edge and you trim it off. I did all 4 edges there, so that when you place it down, you get a good registration for it, so that you get your lines back where you wanted them to go. Otherwise, it could be all over the place. And straight lines, I just do the top and bottom, and then I use a ruler to make sure I get them straight. So this is obviously, that was my dog taking off after a squirrel. So let's see here. This is, it's too high. Raggedy Ann and Andy. So there's her clothes, and then the part that says "I love you." And so these will go above a washer and dryer and hang on a clothesline with clothespins, and then they'll hang like this, so that they look like Raggedy Ann and Andy's clothes that are drying. I did. This is for my sister. I did the Mickey and Minnie Mouse for my wife a while back, and it worked out really well. So my sister wanted one for herself, so I'm doing her favorite character.